everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to paint with bubbles. For this project you're going to need acrylic paint, some dish soap and some water. So what we're going to do first is add our acrylic paints into some plastic cups. Then we're going to go ahead and add a little bit of our dish soap or washing up liquid into each of our plastic cups. We're then going to go and add our water. Now the paint to dish soap ratio is about the same, and then you want double the amount of water. And once you've finished with your water, you're going to go ahead and give all of your cups a really good stir. Now you have your paint mixture ready, it's time to grab your paper. And then what you're going to do first is grab the colour that you want to start with and grab a straw. And then you're simply going to start blowing bubbles into your paint liquid. You want to blow bubbles until the bubbles start overflowing from the cup. Then remove your straw, put your cup down on the side, grab your paper and gently place it over the top of your cup. This will transfer the bubble pattern onto your paper. Then you just keep on repeating the process with all the colours that you've mixed until your art piece looks how you want it to. And there we go, we're all done with our bubble painting.